Andre Bonihein's cronies turn themselves in.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Two of Westmoreland's most wanted men, who reportedly engaged the police in a shootout on Saturday, February 12th, have turned themselves into law enforcers. They are Moses Ramsey, otherwise called Satan, of Burnt Savannah and Russia District in Westmoreland, and Devani Bennett, otherwise called Santa, of Aldeer District, Blue Fields in Westmoreland. Reports are that shortly before midday on Saturday, the Westmoreland police were on operation in the hills overlooking Blue Fields in the parish, when men were seen dressed in army fatigue and walking around with guns. The men reportedly engaged the police in a shootout, during which Andre Hines, otherwise called Bunny, was fatally shot. Ramsey and Bennett, who were reportedly among the gunmen, managed to escape from the scene, but turned themselves into the police on Monday, February 14. The police had declared that Ramsey and Bennett were at the scene of the shooting and warned to promptly surrender themselves by noon on Valentine's Day. Bennett, who was initially wanted for murder, surrendered to the police about 9 a.m. on Monday in the company of a pastor, while Ramsey, who was initially wanted for a wounding with intent and a shooting with intent, turned up at the police station around noon, also on Monday, accompanied by his lawyer.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!